Last year I planted lupines in this space, and they're supposed to come back and flower this year. But so far, nothing. So instead of waiting, I'm transforming this entire area into a soft, blue and white, woodland-style garden. Using a mix of what I already have, transplanting my seedlings, and direct sowing to see which one actually does better, while trying to leave room for those lupines if they decide to show up. Before I start planting, I want to walk you through the plan for this space. I really want this to feel soft and natural, almost like it just happened here along the dry riverbed. I'm sticking to a really simple palette, blues and whites and greens, so everything feels cohesive and calm. I've already started my forget-me-nots from seed, and I'll be using those in two ways. I'm going to transplant some of them and direct sow the rest right into the space to see what does better. Right now, it doesn't look like much, but this is what I'm working toward. Layers of soft blue and white flowers, with height from the lupines and irises, and everything kind of weaving together naturally. So, we've got some work to do. I didn't film the actual planting because it was so windy, but I want to walk you through exactly what I did. I've already cleared any weeds or anything that was in this space, and added some new soil just to give everything a fresh start. I transplanted my forget-me-nots, and then in between, I direct seeded some. So it'll be really interesting to see which one does better. This top section is where my lupines are, or should be if they decide to come back this year. At the bottom here will be forget-me-nots. At the top will be something tall, like a Solomon seal. The middle layer will be Foamflower, Brunnera, things like that. And then I'm thinking, just to add height, add irises throughout. On the side here, so there's the lupines. Hopefully they come back. Same thing as the left bed there. Forget-me-nots at the bottom, middle layer, Foamflower, etc. Irises to create some height, and I'm planning on following that same combination all along the length of the whole bed. I'm also planning this so something is blooming all season, starting in spring with forget-me-nots and Brunnera, then moving into early summer with lupine and Siberian Iris, and finishing in late summer and fall with Japanese anemone. This is just the beginning, but I can already start to see the vision coming together. It's one of those spaces that won't look like much at first, but should really grow into itself. I'll definitely keep you updated because between the planting, the experiment, and the bloom timing, this space could look completely different in just a few weeks.